Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the juicebox People GPT application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juicebox.org and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Juicebox People GPT. Now from this page, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed with logging into your account, but you can also directly install the application web browser version without logging in. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to apps and click on install this site as an app. If you're using the Chrome browser, then from the three dots menu, you will need to hover over to save and share. And from save and share, you can click on create shortcut. Then you can name the application whatever you wish and also edit the application icon. Then just click on the install button and this will now open up the People GPT website in its own separate application window. Make sure to check create desktop shortcut and click on allow. Then click on the yes option from the notification bar and now this will create a shortcut for People GPT on your desktop and on your taskbar as well. You can simply double click on this and directly access your People GPT account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the People GPT application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.